Dude, what's in my purse?
Wow. Jesus. Adelia. Just always cut off my head. There's never been a vlog where you set the camera and my gosh dang head is not cut off. No, that's fine.
Hello world, and welcome back to another exciting vlog. Tell people to like, comment, subscribe.
Tell them to do it.
Please like, comment, subscribe to this goon and this goon over here. Please keep streaming Mark's new song, Threesome.
Foursome.
Foursome.
And then we'll have a
Mark. Let's just get into this vlog. So we are having a girls' night tonight.
Wine. We have some cupcakes with a special touch. Muffins that Jack made. This beautiful masterpiece that I created. Super cute candle from this company that I heard of. It's called Xoxo Candles, and I don't know. You should check it out.
I pardon the interruption, but as you saw, my amazing friend Lauren has a candle company. It is called Xoxo Candles. They are all homemade soy wax candles that she makes all on her own. They're so freaking cute. There are 3 scents. There's the first scent. It's called Fuck That Fuck Boy, and it's the scent Prince Charming, which smells like a cologne, and that's actually the one that I have. It is so freaking cute. The second one is Boss Bitches Cry 2, and it is a lavender scent. The third scent is Baby Light Me Up, and it is a pomegranate scent. It smells amazing. Go check out her Instagram. I'm going to link everything down below. Her Instagram, her candle company Instagram, and she sells all the candles on her Etsy. I will link her Etsy down below. Go get yourself one. They're only $19.99. I am so proud of you, Lauren. I love your cute little candles. I'm gonna light it tonight, and think about how I am super hot, I'm nice, and how I'm a great catch. Go support my girl. Mwah. Well, look who it is. The one, the only.
Just had 1 million streams.
No way! I'm so proud of you. Come here. I've missed you.
Gracias. See your bra.
That's all he looks at. All he looks
You
at.
look tan, so do I. Damn!
I know.
Who's tanner? Drop a comment down below. Welcome back to the vlog, everybody. It's me, PIERSON Fode. I out here. What are you doing here?
Missed you. I came back to see you.
Oh, well, it's good to see you again.
It's good to see you too. You know what you do.
Wow. I'll see you later. Oh my boy! Guys, how's my butt look? Ew! Telling Saxon.
Another day, another beach day. Did that even make any sense?
Beach day for life.
Okay, question. How do you know that you're getting tan with all your tattoos on you?
You gotta look at the parts that nobody sees, where the sun don't shine.
You heard it here, ladies and gents. Here making some TikTokies.
Hi, sorry. Adelia was looking at me like so pissed. I was like, why are you mad?
you what's in my purse. So you're gonna go through my purse.
So it isn't even a purse.
It's a backpack, but it's my purse. I carry it everywhere, so.
Makeup, cool. A mask, AirPod Pros, an extra battery for the camera, one piece of bubble yum. Jesus. Adelia.
Ooh la la.
You never know what can happen.
5 of them? I feel like one's enough.
My wallet.
Wow. Your driver's license, like LERA there. A scrunchie, empty bottle of perfume. Okay, so you have 4 condoms, but 1 tampon. Unreal. What's this? Lube? Brazilian bum bum cream. Perfume. Hair clip. God, you have so many damn pockets. That's it. 5 condoms, lube, bum cream. Even I don't use these. I mean, take these.
What?
Now, this is scary.
Bro, I'll be scared too.
What if it collapses?
That's what I'm saying.
All right, ready?
No.
I did it!
Yippee!
Like, why?
Now I'm just chilling.
In Cedar Rapids.
Hey.
Hi. We are driving to Big Bear. Olivia's the driver.
Say hello to my chauffeur.
Right, your chauffeur. I have Adelia and Carolina's in the back. Not that door, that one. You go up there. Oh my god, I don't like this. Oh hell no. She's single and ready to mingle.
Single and never mingling.
I'll mingle. Me on the other hand, if you just buy me chicken nuggets, I'll like you. Okay? This is us trying to literally get on a boat just to be out. Woo! Woo! Driving back to LA, but we made a cute little pit stop. Look at this view, you guys. We're heading back from Big Bear. Back. Thank you for liking, commenting, and subscribing to my amazing, exciting vlogs. I'll see you later. I'll see you in the next vlog. Wait, ready?
Say bye.